Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a collaboration with InLoveArt shop, and they sent me a die, and let me go ahead and get into that. I did open it prior to the video, and I'm covering my address there. So this is the die that they sent me. They also have a 15% off coupon for you guys, and I will link that below. I will link their shop information below as well. So I'm just showing you what I received and how this die cuts out. So this one's right here. Let me put it on. So that's how this die looks. And this one is like so. And so it is just a little album, and it is very miniature album. So that's how it looks. Let me get my ruler. And so we can see what size album you'll be getting if you decide to purchase. So the width is about 3 1/4, and the height is 4 3/4. So it is really small and miniature, and my next video will be a project share of what I come up with this. And such a really cute die here. It did cut out really good. I used my Spellbinder's caliber, and I do have the old model, so I'm sure with a new model it'll cut out like butter. So this is it, you guys, and I will have all their links below, and be sure to visit me in the following video to see my project share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.